Alright guys, another video, but we're gonna take a break from the project time, enjoy ourselves a little bit. So I got the Ready to Race bundle from Fanatec just because it was cheap to buy. As you can tell, I already have some pedals from Thrustmaster, but the issue that I had was I was running GK Tech 29 wheel, and after I watched the Gran Turismo movie, I wanted to race. However, my computer stopped recognizing it. I tried it on several different computers, and when I tried fixing it, it sparked massively, and then it just wasn't connecting altogether. So I guess don't trust me with electrical stuff, but yeah, we got nice McLaren wheel, the quick release, and the wheelbase. Again, I have load cell pedals, and that is not load cell, so might put that up for sale or just keep it just on hand in case those fail. Alright guys, so I got this whole setup. It's not the cleanest, there's wires everywhere, but we moved the sim rig out of our main entertainment area just for some room, and Lynn gave me her 32-inch. I got this thing pretty set up nicely. This thing moves a bit, it's got to be a little cautious with that, but this thing's awesome. Did a few sim races last night with New England region SCCA, and you know, there's a lot more detail than I realized with the G29 versus the CSL DD from Fanatec. So I'll give another review and a better shot because I'm just sitting in the cockpit. Alright, so I've owned the CSL DD for about a week and have done a few races on them with a league and just racing online. I absolutely love the thing compared to the G29. The G29 is a good budget entry level wheel, and they also fit the CSL DD Ready to Race bundle as an entry level. This is awesome. There's just so much detail that you can feel through a direct drive wheel, under compression, cornering, press, etc. This thing feels phenomenal, and I've raced it with aero and non-aero, and I'm honestly enjoying a lot of the aero driving right now. But I also need to get my I rating up because it's trash, mostly because I rage quit and then I lose all my I rating points. But yeah, this is a good entry level, and thanks for watching.